Guys, so I've already prepped my skin with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream and the Hydro Plumping Serum, and I primed my face with the MAC Strobe Cream. I've then also already done my eyebrows with the Kylie Jenner brown eyeliner, and I also prepped my eyelids with the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer and set it with a Wet n Wild powder. I then went into the shade Hooks, I don't know how to say it, by MAC, and I just took this on a fluffy brush as a transition shade. I then went into the Best Year Ever palette by Too Faced and took the shade Faux Fur Only, and on a smaller blending brush I just popped this in my crease. I then took the shade Don't Give a Fudge from that same palette and took it on an even smaller brush and concentrated this on the outer corner of my eye and in my crease as well. And then taking Black Tie from that same palette on a pencil brush and just popping this on the outer corner of my eye. I then took Cocoa Bear by Makeup Geek because I wanted it to be a bit more warm toned brown, so I just added this in my crease as well. I'm then putting a bit of the All Nighter Concealer on the back of my hand, and I'm using this to cut out the crease. And I'm taking a really small brush by Morphe to do this with. I'm then just blending the edges of the concealer with my finger because I just wanted a half cut crease. And then taking the shade Venom by Makeup Geek, which is like a really nice forest green kind of colour, and I'm just packing this where I cut the crease. And I'm leaving like a little gap, like a line where the crease is cut because I'm going to put a bit of glitter there later. And then just blending the edges with a fluffy brush. I'm then taking a Heavy Metal Glitter by Urban Decay in the shade Pyro, and I'm putting that where I left that gap in the cut crease. I'm also layering this up quite a bit because I want it to be quite intense. And then taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just coating my lashes with this because I decided not to wear falsies, so I'm putting quite a lot of this on. And then going into the skin, I'm taking a NARS, I think it's Luminous Radiant Weightless Foundation, something like that, and an EX1 foundation. I'm just mixing them together on my face, and I just go in and blend this out with a beauty blender. I'm then taking this NYX green concealer just to cover up my spots on my forehead a little bit, just to cancel out the redness, and then I'm going back over that with some more foundation to cover up the green. And then going in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer and popping this under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose and on my chin as well. And then taking the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer, which is a bit lighter, and adding a bit more coverage on the highest points of my face. I'm then sitting under my eyes and on my chin and my nose with that Wet n Wild powder. And then I'm bronzing up my face with the Hoola Benefit bronzer. As you can see, it's very well loved by the packaging. But yeah. And then I'm going in with the Colourpop Flex Tearing Highlighter because apparently I didn't use anything else. And I'm just popping this on the tops of my cheekbones and then taking a smaller brush and putting this in the inner corners of my eyes and down the bridge of my nose. And then taking the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray and I'm just spraying my face with it. Then taking the shade Cocoa Bear on a pencil brush and popping this on my lower lash line. And then taking the Aqua XL Makeup Forever black eyeliner and popping this on my lower lash line as well. And then taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and coating my bottom lashes. And then taking the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the shade, I think Hawkwind, I don't know what it's called, and then I'm popping Dopey by Colourpop in the center just to give like a more ombre effect. So that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this green smoky glitter cut crease. Don't know what I'm gonna call it, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.